Sorel Ketan, who is the president of the Chamber of Commerce, he's going to give us his impression about what we just have here.
Well, I'll say it in just a few sentences. Not just my impression, but the reason for the existence of this gathering. The Chamber of Commerce, the Georgia Haitian-American Chamber of Commerce, is committed to the wealth and well-being of not only the Haitian community, but Haiti itself. So this occasion was an occasion to look beyond wealth for me or wealth for you, but wealth for Haiti and wealth for the Haitian community in the diaspora. So Prudential Advisors, a division of Prudential, came together with us to bring a vast amount of resources to educate us and in turn equip us and empower us with what we need to educate the rest of the community to, one, create wealth, not just today, but create the kind of wealth that we can bequeath to the next generation. That was this evening, and it was a phenomenal evening. If you weren't here, we missed you, and I'm inviting you personally to continue to follow the Chamber so that you too can contribute to the creation of wealth and the passing down of wealth to the next generation of Haitian leaders, both here in the States and in Haiti.
So what is your overall satisfaction of this gathering?
I was very satisfied that the people who needed to be here were here, and through your contribution, Mr. Digay, the head of Radio Cosmopolite, making this public to the world, that the contribution that tonight's event is a contribution for every single person in the Haitian diaspora. So please, with the permission of the Georgia Haitian-American Chamber of Commerce, publish the excerpts of this evening that you see are quite germane and beneficial to the Haitian diaspora in their quest to express their love for Haiti and to make their love for Haiti make a real contribution to our brothers and sisters.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Sorel. It's been really a pleasure to be able to be part of this great gathering.